The latest rugged smartphone from Oukitel, it is a WP21. It's a member of the popular WP series of rugged phones. And here is what you can expect from it. It is a robust smartphone, it is waterproof and dustproof in accordance with the IP68, IP69 certified, and in accordance with the military STD 810G standard. It is resistant to shocks, falls, scratches, vibrations, extreme high and low temperatures. According to his characteristics, we could place him to the middle class. Another neat addition is that it has a round screen on the back that can show basic notifications, the time, and you can answer or reject phone calls. So, for who is the Oukitel WP21 for? Oukitel seems to have a specific audience for its line of rugged phones. Those are the people who want a device capable of both feeling modern and withstanding extreme conditions. The WP21 is possibly aiming to provide that audience with a phone that also has a unique look. The dual screen setup is a great step in making rugged phones stand out in a world where cool-looking foldable phones are slowly taking over. Even with its impressive stats, we don't expect the WP21 to be crowded among the best devices in 2022. What do we expect of its smartphone, which is capable of efficient while making to be impressively robust and durable? The Oukitel WP21 is already listed online via AliExpress, and it's available for purchase at the price of $280, which is definitely positions it with its unique choice for a budget rugged phone. Official sales link is below this video. Be sure to visit it and grab your new WP21 today at the promotional price. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.